Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for November 26, 2019. 2 days away from Thanksgiving. If I don't see you, have a happy Thanksgiving. But I'm sure you will because I'll be doing videos tomorrow too. And if you like these videos, please like, share, subscribe. Share it with your friends, family, and even the people you like. Where you get the best weather information, of course, it's at NYNJPA Weather with your favorite meteorologist, Steven DiMartino. Now, let's take a look at what we have here in terms of observations. High pressures in control. It's absolutely beautiful out there. With nice southwesterly wind around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Temperatures range anywhere from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the northern interior and lower to mid 40s in your suburbs. Mid 40s to even a few lower 50s right along the immediate coast. It's going to be a very warm day. We're talking about highs in the mid to upper 50s, maybe even a few lower 60s as you head up towards, or head down towards Philadelphia and Wildwood and southern New Jersey. Now, when we take a look at the latest surface map, you can see high pressure is generally in control here. It's pretty much dominating all the way down to the Gulf Coast. And so that's transporting warm air all the way from the Gulf Coast into Maine. So very nice warm weather for today. This cold front will basically stall out and wait for this area low pressure to intensify, organize, and create all sorts of havoc over the northern plains, the western Great Lakes, the upper Midwest, the UP of Michigan down through Wisconsin into, let's say, northern Nebraska. Actually, really most of Nebraska is going to be dealing with snowfall anywhere from 6 to 12 inches and just creating all sorts of problems with travel. Problem, the reason why I'm telling you that is because those travel headaches are going to create headaches for the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area because everyone's trying to leave and some people actually go out to, say, Chicago, Wisconsin, maybe to go into a Green Bay Packers game or something for Thanksgiving, and that's going to create problems everywhere else. So this storm is going to create havoc for travel concerns. Unless you're driving, let's say, from New York City down to, I don't know, Philadelphia or Delaware, then the weather impacts won't be too bad. We're just going to be dealing with a few scattered showers as this low pressure system lifts up towards the St. Lawrence River Valley and dives towards the Gulf of Maine by the time we get to Thanksgiving morning. Now that's going to have some impacts on its own because it's going to lead to very strong winds, so it's going to be a threat for the Macy's Day Parade, and it also means some very heavy snow over the Green and White Mountains and some lake effect snow for Lake Erie and Lake Ontario. Take a look at our satellite picture. You can see our storm forming. It's producing some very cold cloud tops over the northern plains, and that means strong lifting, and that means heavy precipitation, and that heavy precipitation happens to be snow. Meanwhile, the cold front's also going to produce some strong severe thunderstorms over portions of the lower Mississippi River Valley, heavy rain over the mid-Mississippi River Valley, all the way to the Ohio River Valley. Now, the good news is that the bulk of this storm will be lifting up towards the eastern Great Lakes and then towards New England, kind of like one of these, okay? So as a result, we're just going to be dealing with scattered showers around here when this cold front moves through. The primary impact from this storm for us will be the strong winds on Thanksgiving. Closer to home, you can see just some scattered cloud cover. It's pretty nice, like I said, for today. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, scattered cloud cover. Look for highs in the mid-50s to lower 60s. Best chance for lower 60s down towards southern New Jersey. For tonight, look for increasing cloud cover with that southwesterly wind. Lows in the mid to upper 30s. For tomorrow afternoon through the evening, the cold front moves through with some scattered showers. The bulk of the rainfall will be focused over New England. So portions of Connecticut may see a heavier shower here and there. But for the most part, again, scattered showers, maybe a tenth of an inch of rain, highs in the mid to upper 70s. On Thanksgiving, that storm blows up. Heavy snow over the Green and White Mountains, somewhere around 4 to 8 inches of snow around much of Maine. Down towards our area, watch out for a few flurries, especially towards the Poconos, but the primary impact will be the strong winds and falling temperatures. Temperatures will range on Thanksgiving from the lower to mid 40s for lows and mid to upper 40s for highs. But that's going to be earlier on the day. In the afternoon, those temperatures will be falling through the 30s, and you're going to have strong northwesterly winds at 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusts over 30 miles per hour. So it's going to cause some problems for the Macy's Day Parade. But they've been through this before. They know how to prepare. With that, it's going to be dry for Thanksgiving, for the most part, aside from a few flurries. And it's going to be windy, but for the most part, I think that you're not going to have too many problems as far as traveling if you're just driving this holiday. On Friday, high pressure in complete control, clear skies, kind of chilly, lows in the mid to upper 20s, highs in the lower 40s, a few upper 30s over the northern interior. Saturday, look for increasing cloud cover, lows in the lower to mid 20s, highs in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Then we're watching this low pressure system. This low pressure system, by the time we get to Sunday, will be heading towards the Ohio River Valley. This warm front will be lifting northward. With that warm front, you're going to initially see some snow even in the morning hours for the entire region. So let me rephrase that. The warm front will be approaching. You'll see precipitation in the morning hours, and it will fall as snow even along the coast. That will quickly change over to rain, but you might see a slushy inch here and there, let's say around Philadelphia and New York City. Temperatures on Sunday will start off in the upper 20s to lower 30s throughout the region, and then rise into the mid 30s over the northern interior and upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. So if you're in the Poconos, if you're in northwestern New Jersey, the Hudson River Valley, northern Connecticut, this may actually be more of a wintry mix than actual rain. We're going to keep an eye on that. And then heavy snow to the north of that. Rain along the coast, changing over pretty quickly. But it could be a bit slippery and slick on Sunday morning. Now, that low pressure system jumps towards the New Jersey coast Sunday night and Monday morning, and then rapidly lifts to the northeast and rapidly intensifies. While that is happening, the wintry mix will change over to snow over the northern interior, and will have the chance to accumulate over 4 inches in some locations. So we've got to watch that very carefully. Along the coast, you'll see the rain changing over to snow with lingering snow showers throughout the day on Monday. So yeah, there's a chance for some minor accumulations even on the coast, but I'm not looking for a lot, and most of that's going to be on cold surfaces. Temperatures on Monday, though, are going to range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the northern interior, mid 30s along the coast for lows, highs only in the mid to upper 30s, and those highs are going to be fleeting because they'll be falling really quickly by the time you get to the evening hours. And on Tuesday, a few lingering snow showers with lows in the mid 20s to lower 30s and highs in the lower to mid 30s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Steven DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.